Sama makwaba de Badwam TV bedwem ena moni guso amorhwe na brewe du samede yakokensie mansem remdina de nyame ba Bernard pade botwe asra kese enkoma bet power ena so boys diska girls diska me director na no pe ohum yo se nyame ba wai ni nyina onu kwade otai frame me padi me director santoa no pe eyurade nyame ohum yo se nyame ba padi wai ni nyina na eno aske bia wo ma me digu me botom no kan se e wo se girls twa bi no mo sorte small girls no on size line no ntino anope ne ni age ni aje ewrade nyame me cameraman omo ha na no pay omo se bet power ni nyina omo ni nyina nti no mo ne dwumeku omo so masene na no pay se me fa go kense man semram tempa so me chance if you be man so ne me pay mo man kan ne no man kan mu de ensem bebre ekoso nti nya botre na twa me na odani we ni de che no match se tutu odwa odani we ni at the Spanish La Liga no matches ni bi to matches ni bi ebeto odwa dani we ni de che bet power ne discount sa waso ba she papa and the match se to odwa no so mu ma de Atletico Bilbao amone Valencia and the pem so na match e mo be din goals be piem brutal Arsenal Real Valladolid and the Gunners and the pem so na Atletico Madrid amone Espanyol and the boss so Arsenal Real Sociedad and Alaves sa Atletico Madrid match ni say and so goals be piem sister brother ko bet power na this guy na yenda any advance in football mu oda no we need the England and no Carabao Cup matches ni bi to big matches ni bi to na or the Carabao Cup or England Jordan are you ya bompa is afi ebefa if say next week ya Ghana ejina kono nti say branch any to go sa wa brocha na eni age eba ne sa na coaches na eni age nti ya hwe de be pie ma na no matches ni bi to dwa Champions League qualification so na enya fidi agrokra Galatasaray and young boys ekoya young boys 1 Galatasaray 0 nti young boys are qualify e wo ho no more than we need the RB Salzburg. Yes, RB Salzburg. Almost no amoche Dynamo Kiev and 1-1 into I don't know the qualifier RB Salzburg almost and the qualifier Arsenal Sparta Prague and Malmo FF Ekoye 2-0 in favor of Sparta Prague into Sparta Prague for and a qualifier into matches in the no na go so ni na PPM so mo try there omodi bet power there won try was over you try na say nisika egu bottom na bibia aye fine e mo yenda ni infantry man Ghana ni ehwe nsama ekoso and the 30th ordinary congress ekopim e wo pram Ghana Soccer of Excellence na enye fidi agro na enye fidi agro no amuko trans football administrators any football owners trans eko baba Ghana football ho na ket years okraku GFA president Eddie Atudwa say almost raban say be ya nka taxa omo to nyama so players eko porta omo ko yi justice ni football ni boot at the break club no be ya nka tax no omo hwan so sabi ya clubs no omo ho ebe hin han omo.
We have made strategic investments in our Badwam Soccer Center of Excellence, where we gather here today, as well as our Rage headquarters and our Winkongo Technical Center in the Upper East, which currently accommodates our first ever elite football academy. We have continued to deliver on the commitments that the Executive Council, through my address at the previous Congress in Kumasi, made to our members. This includes the support in equipment such as footballs to all levels of the Ghanaian game and provision of cash and fuel support, the subventions to our RFAs, amongst others. We have also invested heavily in capacity building, training over 1,500 coaches, leading to the acquisition of licenses across all categories, from D to B, whilst also building up our existing list of referees and training about 1,600 young talents under the unique
Sports Minister Mustafa Yusuf eso ekopimo Jumedi na say also edit to just say abai no airborne homodin bi say Ghana football and say Ghana sports ebesi more infrastructures abai no born homodin say be infrastructures there say ba say Ghana any football party Ghana benya dodo na
committed to sports development in Ghana, and we have initiated various projects aimed at enhancing our sports infrastructure and promoting the growth of sports across the country. This initiative includes the construction of the 10 multipurpose sports stadiums across Ghana in the then 10 regions, bringing world-class facility closer to the community, the ongoing upgrading and renovation of existing sports facilities, including the Accra Sports Stadium, the Kumasi Sports Stadium and to ensure that they meet international standard. The provision of the state-of-the-art sports facilities at the Badwam Sports Complex, which will be converted into University for Sports for Development. This institution will be dedicated to training and educating coaches, athletes, sports administrators, and positioning Ghana as the sports hub of excellence in Africa, and continue to support our national teams and athletes as they represent Ghana in international competitions, and ensuring that they have resources and support needed.
Sansuna, former president of the Ghana Football Association, Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo, so assign so a board member, the Mahazo folk, as well Copium, no pram Jumedian as an Fedia grow, and also the Abasbody Casepa, MGFA, Esano, uplift, and as you see at the Prampam copy or on my the same say, and the Tuja.
Physical structure impressed me a lot because when we started this project, it was just a small project that we thought will help the football association itself and football in Ghana. And the reason why I was very much impressed was that our present headquarters where we are in Accra was also started under my jurisdiction. And we were able to put us a first house or first building there. And then when I left, Kwesi Nyantechi came and did very well by continuing and turning it into a first-class office, as you see it now. This also has been very impressive when I got in. I came in very early in the morning, and I was impressed with the surroundings, the buildings, the cleanliness, which to me is very important. And I had opportunity also to commission the project with the president of the association. On the whole, I have to say, it's an impressive, what do you call it, congress. And
right, 124 delegate, and I was saying, come copium, pram, name 118, and a copium, intino, Ibiana Bimo, and Honduran, and so much Quanca, yeah, that's so, Honor, BBCBiano, Yanfa, and Cameda in Yanfa, Colombia, be mine, so a whole in Banana 20 World Cup on Ebepim, so Nana, Black Princesses of Ghana, South Korea, Eba, Yokofa, I can see, and Nanya Fedia grow, match Nibiana 2-2. I know, give me Banibiana, head coach, Edema, Black Princesses of Ghana, coach, you see, Bazigia, Patches, and Yaji. One so far matches no more born and easy. Abo Mexico, Intimi, and as when Lusu, or South Korea, Lusutino, preparation so far so good.
I'll say that we are acclimatizing very well because having the high altitude in mind, we decided that we'll push the girls to have enough stamina so that they can overcome the altitude. And now they are responding very well, which is quite impressive. Now they are getting on well with the conditions and everything here. They're extremely important for us because I would say that some of these girls have not even played international games before. Some have not even traveled before. This is their first experience. Having played this will help them to also warm themselves into the competition. For now, according to the medical team, everybody.
I know any copy more. Nanyame Adma Kwesiada na Ghana first match. Ede epim so yeni Austria for ede pem so into Bompire na mabompe ADB at the Black Princesses of Ghana. Sebia Bibia because of feed they have to advance to the next stage. And it's a group stages now no more film. And yes, as a tradition. Okobia Napa. Now it's time to go online. Now you need the man himself, Patrick Osei Ajiman, Songo Stake. You can call him Fireman. Fire and I know ultimate can. Mema watching.
Yeah, fantastic morning.
Nyamini hini na woswe.
Boko. Yeah, coach, you see Bazigi. Coach, you see Bazigi our princess for coach. When your chance to be a coachy and my football, I will grow him. And I will be a mini pa. Or call landing in a cushion and my football coaching, you know, just say or coaching mukin in a mini papa. What I say, mini pa. because opie more make us say me hunipa me family hunipa and opie more in I pushing na just where they kusua and that's all being who you a man football you be a woman my dear usua but I feel the money be back first international matches in those things in there. Yeah, under 17 World Cup will prove now boys need be the one and two kind of what you say as we under 17 World Cup. What you say you don't need to be there 2 times or 3 times before Asana why the World Cup and now can almost all the time be on the Monaco tournament 3 matches no film to say Blasters 3 matches no film to say Blasters this time around. Also, you don't know who film group stage, you know. Also, to me, free group stage walk. And he was Colombia on the actually. What I say, no excuse. This time, free group stage. And you say, what the excuse be about Barcelona? Money been to Canada, be more international match than the tournament. And it's uncle the same level on the and you idea ever to and now more fire. Me back my take. Our GF Congress, Ghana Football Association Congress, a course of pram. The army person who want to say, woman secure sponsorship, the capacity at the Ghana Premier League. Capacity building, training of coaches, whatever, a part of the association. He said, obey me, kiss yourself, man, obey. These are petty things. Me like I say, I know in get to a room, capacity building and those things. Yes, but nearby me, I say football. Niamu yang ina sa coaches amu train no more capacity building and no more amu yang ina no. You be who say football ne jina you pa ne say. Your local teams no, your Ghana Premier League no. Ebe sa de atia jina ma emu players. Local boys in about the various national teams no matimia bon ye no matimia sa above Blasters no money foreign based players this year matimia competing in a good selection ever Blasters local league ni ya and local league ni be ya it sponsorship. We can't start local league 6 September without sponsor and our sponsorship and our headline sponsor. It's Congress nothing nana capacity building and I say ye boa coaches and ye say nano. More Congress no man to the and as a man to sika the headline sponsor bia sponsors and as sponsorships kuteska ketie at the Ghana Premier League. Nami who emfasu bia ba samo Congress we mo pato papa bia. Sa capacity building in the coaching, yeah, boa coaches, yeah, courses in this no money in ano. And you're part of the FA. And you know petty things, no matter or some way they money administration. But in the Bamian say football no more resolve in ye. And they say your local teams echo Confederations Cup the Champions League to me. Your local teams it me produce players. Papa Kukudama. I mean about the various national teams me Cup. Let me produce players, local boys. I will make me compete to a Blasters level. Foreign based players, no one here. Who team say yes, Blasters more a thing. Near a giant 3 matches are your bar. Near film, Blasters are real good gun and master. All because you produce local content here. The local football, no, your league near Bono, your league near your good coaches, good players, good officiating. And I will support officiating. There be a best support to officiating work. Supporting I will support to officiating in our everything in still officiating your back. Still, mother so di or ye referee car. Mupa mun country say Ghana referees. Matio muka a kabia ni bebia. Ota say any a kofa va yene a FIFA kasa say va. Eye VAR na ye de ehwese obi a shego ana obi shego bobi go ana bobi nyego sa no ma no ye ko fa sa fidie na ba ye ni FIFA kasa pitches bay parks bay stadium bay na mudi kwa ko sisi stadium ben na mudi kwa kosisi because Ghana League you know stadium fun bia na say park fun bia na mo bobo baby ti say Dawu say ye bo league wo FA president no ni team ni Dawu ni team ni Dreams FC Dawu ho no ye bo league matches wo enye papa enye baby o say ye bo league matches sa Dawu stadium wo ye nsiesie ho Andrew international standard kenye baby o say ye bo league matches baby ye jana kure bi ni wo baby aba junso ye be ko toilet kura ye jana kura poto basa baby etna FM matches kura ni bi ni wo stands kura we o ti ase eti wo ko fa va ba ene na mo pe national stadium just a stadium ma ye betimi de asi wo ni etimi operate ni etimi nya mfaso yi na nya baby ansem fata bia ti se Dawu a mutimi eka se mo ma presenter ma stadium ana se park wo mutimi eka se mo ma o ensentroni emehwebo mo ma supporter we mehwebo etutu asem ohona mo kwakotam va TV akwakosi
sure
na mo de ede mo de training ana se mo de ahwe say football no officiate insanity club
aye okay
the main issue part so they say league ni hieska
sure
omunkofa headline sponsor sika emra Ghana league no
sure
congress na no think what to din head no president ni ko for no think what to din say yeah the headline sponsor we are back
okay
because start times omun ni obiem omun timi nka biem sa omun start times video coverage no eni obiem miwa omun last year betting company no omun ni Edins I was so our sponsor league no oja league ni sponsor wa ma league na wie kura no oja ye league ni sponsorship league ni headline sponsorship Ghana league ni niska mako congress akwa congress didi anu mu ya
sure
seka mutimi tu edin tika din say tika we ni de best sponsor Ghana
more fire
it is actually there wo mu nya hwe
more fire
that capacity building ni coaching ni sa ye training coaches ni those part of it
yes
a normal thing administration
sure
but see ebe who say football ni ye no or see who say yes league you know asa peja sorry aye kama yetimi ton ye players ko abrochile kama yetimi ton ye local boys no do Ghana league omun first come best Ghana league
more fire
omun che headline sponsor ye dibo Ghana league see September we more fire
Ewia beto aso. Ewia beto aso. Ewia beto aso.
Fire for fire.
Sure.
TV.
Yes.
Beto aso. Why?
Sure. More fire. More fire. So fire no pay me that sepa so. All right. So Songo Steak. Patrick Osai Ajiman, you can call him the fireman, countryman Songo Ninka, and I'm watching Adrian Ewo Ghana Sports, and then Congress I told you Ewo Pram Ghana Man Soccer of Excellence, watching Adrian Ewo Ho, into also Tihoa, also Adrian, and it's an Asaka here, and come bed power, and I pay so much Masane, some Fago Kensim, and some Masarak Dim, and Comma St. Phillips, almost cycle, the Biomosham Tadia Papa, wouldn't we need show the Tadia dear, Biao Pibiano Benyan, St. Phillips, Asaka say, as on Comma said, Joe Manucho, I'm a proud producer, and I know pay me. At the Nyameba Bernard Padbocho sister fear at was with health tips.